Most troubleshooting and repair operations will require disassembly of the test station. To start, you'll need to access the inside of the test station by disassembling the main panel assembly. The main panel is held in place by 8 screws. To disassemble the test station, remove these 8 screws to gain access to the interior of the test station. Once the 8 screws are removed, carefully lift the main panel upwards. It's easiest to lift the panel by grabbing 2 of the 4 IR communication blocks simultaneously and lifting. Be careful not to pull too hard as you lift, since there are many wires and tubing still attached. To separate the main panel from the test station, detach the gas inlet and exhaust hoses from the main panel. This is the gas inlet hose. This is the exhaust hose. Next, using needle nose pliers, remove the regulator solenoid power wire connector and the DC jack wire connector from the main printed circuit board on the underside of the main panel assembly. This is the regulator solenoid power connector, and this is the DC jack connector. Finally, for the portable test station, use a crescent wrench or open-end wrench to remove the high-pressure tubing from the pressure gauge. At this point, the main panel assembly should be completely detached from the rest of the test station.